Hey guys, it's Crib Drip. Welcome back to another show. I wanted to today talk about Bitcoin's price prediction. Where will this coin go by the end of year, by December 31st? I wanted to see what you guys thought. I made a post on my Twitter, and I know some of you guys may have read it. And before we get into that, just comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think, what the prediction of Bitcoin is, and what you guys think what the future price will be. And going into the price of the coin right now, so it's sitting at roughly 8,400 right now, and it's kind of all over the place. I mean, this market has definitely surprised even the best traders out there, because there's so much noise out there that you got all these professionals like Tim Draper, and then you got like Warren Buffett and Bill Gates saying it's rat poison, and then you got other big investors saying it's a great investment and the best investment in our time. And it's you kind of have opinions on both sides of the pendulum here. And I think it's very important to stay rational and stay just stay objective about the whole situation, because even though, yeah, we are holding, and it's great that we are holding coins right now, and we obviously do want the coin to go up, and that can only happen if Bitcoin goes up, really, at least for now. And so it's really just all about where Bitcoin will go. And guys, yeah, so I think the price is gonna go to 15, is gonna close at 15K by end of year. I know there's a lot of buzz saying, oh, it's gonna be at 20K, it's gonna close at 25K, 30K, nothing less than 20K really. And I do actually think that the coin, Bitcoin, will touch 20K over here. I know it seems like a far way to go, but I do think it's gonna touch 20K before the end of the year. But I do not think that it will close by the end of the year at 20K or anything above here. I think it will touch 20K, but it will probably gradually go back to 15K. And that's what my thoughts are, because I just don't see the coin just progressing every year. I know, like, there's this mentality now that because Bitcoin goes up every year, it's like there's a lot of people say, oh well, it goes up every year. And no, that's not true. There were bear markets before, like, Bitcoin was really popular and stuff. I mean, I wanted to pull up, see here, like, given this was during 2014, guys. Look at this massive bear market, guys. I mean, people thought, people were probably waiting and itching to just buy back in and hope that it will go up and continue going up, just like how we saw here. But that didn't happen. And and this took a while, guys. This took the entire, pretty much like a year and a half. And people just assume that, oh, because last year it went up, so it's gonna go up again. And I don't think, like, that's the way we should analyze it, because, yeah, we all know, like, Bitcoin is speculative and nobody knows where the price is gonna go. But I just feel that there's so much buzz and the noise, because the noise outside really is saying, oh, it's gonna go up, right? And a lot of people just are, like, hoping for that to happen. And I don't think it's good to be a buy and hold and buy and hope to it goes up kind of investment strategy. I don't think that's a good strategy at all. Like, I mean, I understand it's a speculative asset, but it's still, like, you don't want to just be hoping. I feel like if you're hoping for things to go up all the time, then that's a red flag right there. You shouldn't be hoping. You should stay rational. And because this market swings so quickly up and then down, it causes a lot of emotions involved, you know. Whereas other markets that are stable, it's like you can stay rational about why you chose your investment. But when something, you know, for example, like um, if you last in like 2014, if you bought even here, right? You know, you're probably thinking, oh yeah, I bought at the dip, and it just continues going down, and then this sideways movement must have, you know, tested your patience for sure. And this went for a while too, like 4 months, 5 months, until you see something like this. So it's just something to consider, guys. I mean, we just assumed because last year it was like that, and I don't think it's just gonna be all like that. And we already seen, guys, consensus. It didn't end up being what we all thought it would be. So it's something to open your eyes and just be you know, acknowledging the fact that what you're hearing might not happen, and sometimes it's good to be contrarian and to just accept that, and that can really help you, you know, hold your positions and understand why you made those investments in the first place. So yeah, so here's my video, guys, today, and I wanted you guys to comment and let me know what you guys think what the price will be by the end of the year and why, and comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys wanna, what kind of video you guys wanna hear for next for my next video. Okay, cheers, guys. Have a good day.